Ilang. Hold on. Ilang. Sir, sir, was there really a draft committee report drafted?
There is. And it was being routed yesterday, kaya lang yung iba, no, sabi nila gusto muna nilang mabasa at maintindihan. And in accordance with our rules of procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation, alam mo, customarily, nagra-route na lang kami, pero kung susundan natin yung rules, talagang kailangan merong meeting yung committee to discuss the contents of the draft committee report. So, it will remain as a draft unless signed by at least 11 in this case, ano, kasi ang membership ng Blue Ribbon 17
Opo.
plus regular, ano, plus 3 ex officio, so that makes 20. So majority nito is 11 with required signatories at least to make it an official committee report that can be reported out for deliberation. So yesterday I was able to gather 6 signatures.
Opo.
Kulang. And 3 eventually withdrew kasi na-realize nila, I cannot blame them because of the complexity, and the sensitivity of issues involved, including personalities, kasi yung iba nabasa rin nila. So they really want to go into the motion of reading and understanding before they affix their signature. And ako naman, chairman ako, and the chairman is not the committee. One signature lang ako doon.
Sir, there was a document leaked, may mga
parang nanggaling sa office ni Senator Lapid. So, mamaya tatanungin ko bakit, kasi ang binigyan lang namin kopya, yung mga nanghingi. And I'm sure na hindi magagaling yung leak sa akin opisina because they were very careful in the handling of the document kasi alam namin unofficial yun.
May recommendation po, sir, na pakasuhan yung ilang mga senador. Is that something na kailangan pag-usapan ng maigi?
Well, kasi align yun sa practical realities. Sa ground kasi ang nangyayari, those that are being recommended for the filing of criminal and administrative charges, Antoine, all of them are already undergoing preliminary investigation. Yung iba nga may warrant na So, as long as our committee report and the recommendations therein are aligned with the practical realities, ibig sabihin nandiyan na, walang problema. But, kung sa mga amendments na papasok sa aming discussion mamaya, meron po kontra doon sa realities on the ground, medyo may problema kami. Because the committee report itself will not be aligned with what is actually happening sa ground.
So maninindigan kayo doon sa pagpapakaso sa ilan sa inyong mga kasamahan kasi that's the reality.
It's already there. It's already there. Papanindigan ko yun. No, while the committee report or the draft committee report was prepared by my staff under the guidance of the General Counsel, Attorney Gerard Mosquera, who used to be Deputy Ombudsman for Luzon and dating special, very competent. And while sila yung nagawa, kasi lawyers ang nagagawa niya, I will take full responsibility sa content. Last night, while I was meeting, because diniscuss mo with the staff, binisita kami ni Senate President Soto and he also included his inputs which we accepted because ang concern nga yung mga personalities na may mention yun ang naging problema.
Opo.
Now I respect the opinions of my colleagues in this regard. So if I'm not able to gather or secure 11 signatures, then there will be no committee report.
Will it cause distress yung mga contentious na names ng kapwa senador?
No.
Distress to the Senate, it will not cause distress?
No, not at all. Because yan ang rules namin Kailangan merong at least majority or majority of the members ang pipirma sa draft committee report to make it unofficial committee report.
Sir,
so in the absence of 11 signatories, there is no committee report.
Pero paninindigan nyo, kunwari sir, di ba? Paninindigan nyo yung mga papakasuhan. Will it
May
cause...
bottom line ako Merong baseline na kung sino-sunod. Below that baseline, hindi ako papayag kasi nga it doesn't make sense na hindi ko i-recommend yung nangyayari na. After all, most of the documents used by the DOJ and the Ombudsman, even the ICI, came from the Blue Ribbon hearings. Tapos nadagdagan pa nga. So to go against what is happening already yung mismong cases na hinahandle na undergoing preliminary investigation. Even yung mga freezing ng AMLAC, andyan na eh. So we're just recommending what's already happening.
Will it cause distress to the leadership, yung pagpapakaso sa mga kasamahan niyo, sir?
I don't know, kaya magpo-focus kami ngayon. Pag-uusapan namin ng maayos.
Sabi niyo
But ako, I'm not taking it against my colleagues that they refused to sign or even withdrew their signatures. Wala sa akin yun because there is no rules. Ang masama kung wala sa rules and some of them are violating, then I'll take it against them. But they're following the rules. I'm also a stickler for rules. Kaya I go along with them na sinusunod namin yung rules.
Sabi niyo magkakaproblema pag medyo may ibang hindi sumang-ayon mamaya. What do you mean by that?
Hindi
Ano
ko
problema?
i-sponsor. I'm not willing to sponsor something na hindi ako naniniwala at saka yung hindi aligned to sa realities.
If you sponsor later, partial na report pa rin po yun.
Hindi sponsor later. Kailangan makakuha ng 11 signatures. That's still partial, pero very substantive. Para bang ito na yung mismong committee report. Partial because hindi pa nagsasara yung hearings ng or yung inquiry ng Unifor.
Sir,
Ano kaya ang goal? Bakit parang nangyari nilik yung
I don't know, tanungin si Florante.
sir, but we can say, sir, that the route, yung kahapong nilik, sir, was really the draft report that came from you.
Yan, draft talaga yun.
Okay.
And sir,
Pero hindi
pinaparecommend
final yun.
yung...
That's not yet the committee report.
And yung
It is
draft?
subject to discussion.
And yung draft, sir, you confirm na pinapa-recommend yung charges versus Senators Villanueva, Estrada,
Hindi kasi sabi kong reality sa ground because we're recommending them to undergo preliminary investigation and they're already undergoing preliminary investigation. So why would we go against what's already happening?
So sir, just to reiterate, hindi masama ang loob yung
Ano, definitely not. Hindi masama daw. I welcome na i-discuss sa amin mamaya. I welcome all contrary opinions or dissenting opinions. If they don't want to sign, so be it. Because that's supposed to be the case because we have our rules to follow, rules of procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation.
Sir, since same naman po yung draft niyo at yung nag-leak, we can use it. Tama po ba, sir? We can
Not
use it.
yet, because it's only a draft. Hindi final. What if the final committee report hindi tama doon sa draft? Then ano official yung nire-report nila?
But-
I would encourage, I would appeal to media na hindi na lang yung final will furnish you a copy para doon nila i-base yung inyong reporting. Otherwise, i-disclaim namin yun. Di ba? Sabihin namin, hindi yun ang report namin because that's not yet final.
But you confirm na pinapakasuhan yung tatlong senador. At least that you confirm.
Yeah, 6 people ang nandun.
Okay, sir.
Ex-Congressman Saldico, of course, Senator Bong Revilla, tapos Senator Cheese, lahat ng nag-PPI ngayon, yun ang kasama doon.
Senator Joel, Senator Jinggoy.
Yeah.
You confirm that.
And ex-Congresswoman
Mitch. But no Romualdez, sir.
ibang kategory. Meron din recommendation kay former Speaker Romualdez.
Okay.
Pero hindi siya kasama doon because kinag-authorize namin based on corroborative evidence. Kasi all others, yung nasa first category, not only the legislators, pati DPWH officials, marami yun, may COA, lahat. Pero sa legislators, kinategorize namin sila into different levels. Yung pinakahuling level, ito yung na-mention ng pangalan, pero walang validation at saka walang corroboration. So how will we treat them? Because their names were mentioned, they will be mentioned in the committee report. Pero ang recommendation is further fact-finding inquiry.
Hindi nanganganib makudita si SP dahil pinapakasuhan yung mga kasamahan nyo, sir?
Mag-uusap ka kami mamaya. If it will cost his Senate presidency, that's part of the game, ano? Kung because of the mere committee report na nag-participate naman din sila, ayaw na sila at tatanggalin na ng Senate President, I will take responsibility somehow. But the Senate President is all behind the Bloodbond Committee. Not in its findings, ano. Kaya nga di-discuss namin, he will be there.
Nagkausap kayo ni SP na baka mamiligro yung kanyang
Hindi na namin
posisyon.
pinag-usapan yan. Pinag-usapan namin yung issues doon sa Blue Ribbon Report.
But sir,
Kaya nga tumulong na rin siya how to use the proper language.
Yung tatlong senador na napapakasuhan, meron na pong nag-reach out sa inyo, sir, about your recommendations.
I think si Senator Joel was asking for a copy last night.
Okay.
Pero hindi namin mabigyan because ano nga yun, draft yun eh. And we intend to present also to them, to the minority members of PBRC, yung draft committee report to also get their input. After all, the members din sila.
but sir, kahit po, for example, yun nga, merong threat na magbago or magkaroon ng kudeta, hindi magbabago
Alam mo,
yung recommendations
hindi
ninyo.
hindi makakarating doon because if they refuse to sign, there will be no committee report to speak of. See my point?
Yes.
Walang i-report out sa floor kasi nga walang 11 signatures.
And as of now, sir, 3 signatures.
Hindi, anim, nag-withdraw yung tatlo.
So, tatlo.
So, tatlo na iwan.
May we know who the three are?
Hindi ko alam kung mag-withdraw rin. Ha?
Sige,
Senator Risa, Senator Bam, Senator Kiko.
Hindi ka kasama doon, sir. Hindi kasama yung sa bilang yung chairman.
Kasama.
So, apat na, sir.
Apat.
Apat, okay.
Sir, sorry So, pag-uusapan nyo mamaya, so, magko-collect ka na rin ng 11.
Didiscuss namin ano yung mga inputs nila.
Okay.
Yung pwedeng ipasok doon at pwedeng tanggalin doon sa draft kung acceptable at mapagkaisa namin, edi yun ang lalabas na committee report.
Kung
Pero ako nga, meron akong bottom line. I will also parang counter kung ano na yung nangyayari sa ground. That's not practical at all. Because hindi ko i-recommend na i-investigate, mag-undergo ng preliminary investigation. Meron na ng preliminary investigation eh.
Kung ipapatanggal sa kakasuhan yung tatlong senador,
I will
papayag kayo.
sponsor it. I will let somebody sponsor it. If there is any taker.
Oo. Magko-collect ka na ng 11 signatures mamaya, sir? Malalaman namin kung may
Kung
11.
kung magkasundo kami sa final draft,
Okay.
magpipirmahan na rin kami mamaya.
But
So
po-
I can report it out next week.
But possible the pirmahan can happen in the days to come? Yung signing?
Naka-ready na kasi yung draft based on initially na pag-usapan namin. Pero kung may mga additional input, incorporate namin yon. So i-reroute ko yon, i-reroute uli yon based on their recommendations and suggestions.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
The sensible part of it, kung hindi namin recommend, i-ibisigan na nga. Isa naman kami lulugar nun, di ba? Para naman kaming ewan.
Okay.